Morning, YouTubers. This is me, Stan, again. I'm showing you another device that really helped in my RV. On the older RVs, you got this big, cassette recorder and AM/FM radio. And I thought, well, that takes up an awful lot of space. So I got this device right here. That's what you can see in the corner right here, and it has a remote on it and everything like that. So I got this from Amazon, and what we're going to do today, we're just going to open her up and see what's inside the box. Here, open up the device right now. Got some styrofoam packing at the side. Let's go ahead and as you can see right here, this is the radio right here. Yeah, if I set up. Okay, here's the radio right here, and it has the on this side right here, has the little USB, where you can plug in. It has an audio jack, so the older devices will work, and it's also Bluetooth. And then you have your, all your functions right here. It has a nice display right here. And to open it up, let's take this. This is the bracket right here. Let's see now. Still like that. Yeah. So you can put this housing in your device, and it'll help smooth it up. It'll be smooth right here. You got these tabs right here, and they can, bend down to make sure it's all tight and everything like that. And these clips right here will automatically lock in the radio. So once you got all done, you put this device in the mounting bracket, be it wood or whatever. And then you just take the radio right here and you slide it in. It comes with all the parts. I'll show you what it comes with. Here's the pack right here. I'll move this out of the way right here, and has this right here for mounting the radio. You just, put these tabs in there, mount the radio, and that keeps it apart so it slides in and out, and then you just bring it in. And here's the remote. Has like a little flat battery in there, and you can control it. And one nice thing, it also has voice capability. So while you're on the phone or something like that, you can actually, hear the information and hear the phone call over your speakers. And here are the plugins right here. This right here, you see them labeled right here for the speakers. It's made for a common ground, but you can actually find the common ground on your speakers if they're individual or something like that, and wire them together, and so there'll be a common ground. And this here is for your power. This is made for, like if you have an automatic antenna. We don't need it. So we'll just, put that out of the way. And also, here's your power and your ground and basically everything that you need. And it's labeled on the instruction booklet too, So you get that already. And it's very simple to hook up. And if you want, like later on or now, because it does have RCA type connectors. And you can just plug them in, use the amplifier in the stereo. Now this only puts out 200 watts, 50 watts per channel. And there's 4 of them, 4 speakers, so you can use the old fader and everything like that. That's good enough, but if you want, to have more music, you'll have to hook up an amplifier. Okay, well, thank you very much, and that's our video for today. I'll also put the link in the channel below, so you can click on that link. And this here, I just want to mention that I purchased with my own money, to try it out, plug it in, and, it's going to work fine for an upgrade. I have a 93 fifth wheel And so it has those old cassettes, and it's like, I don't really need cassettes. Everything's Bluetooth now, and so I can hook my phone up to it, and I can just use the Bluetooth feature on the phone, and I can get some pretty good tunes. And also, if I'm boondocking or something like that, it also has an antenna hookup, so I can use the AM/FM radio, and I have a good antenna system. So, well, thank you very much, YouTubers, and make sure to like and subscribe, and if you like the content of the channel, and I'll go ahead, and you have a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye.